Enjay crew. Welcome back to Enjay's Play Space. Last time we opened the downtown, car park. But today we're gonna be opening this downtown burger drive-thru. If you didn't see my last video, go and check it out. But please be sure to like and subscribe because now I have 2 videos left of a whole series of Hot Wheels. Alright, let's unbox this. I wish I could eat this. This looks so delicious. Alright, once again, on our other video, we did see this little mark. Yeah, and this was also at Target, so you can get it now too. Alright. Wow, this is easy like the last one. Oh! These stickers look more glorified. And another, this is like a triplet. I'm gonna put it right here. All right, so, what is this? This is like a marble elevator. Hey, who ate the burger? Hello? Wow, you could run, maybe you could run around. Still haven't figured out what this is. Maybe it's a lemon ice popsicle. Fire. What are we gonna do? Burn this? Burn the cars? Maybe this is water. They're dry and it's the summer, so it's very hot outside. What? Is this like a person from Roblox or something? Refrigerator. That's what I'm gonna call it. And a total of burger Hot Wheels. At McDonald's they sell Big Macs, but how do they get Hot Wheels in here? And I guess the main car is stuck inside. Get me out! Yeah. Alright, more trash, like the car wash video. And here's the cool car itself. I'll put this down. Man, now I have a lot of Hot Wheel cars. Burger wheels, maybe it's orange wheels, I'm not sure. Alright, this is like a lemon ice pop. What is that? But do not eat it, do not. Bad for you. I better not rip it again. Whew, that was close. I did rip a little bit. Don't tell anybody. Whoa! It's like a McDonald's, like you could order. This looks really cool. Alright, I already need help with the instructions, but why are we gonna burn these cars down? Okay, so here it is in the front. Jail. Oh! Alright, so, let's start building. Oh no, I bent it a bit, but it's okay. That's good. I'm assuming the this is a long line. How long is this? Yeah, got that one. Next is this arrow. Where is it pointing? Is it? Oh no! It's telling us to go to the burger jail because I like see a jail right here. What? This could be a problem. Okay, I'm putting the next sticker. All right. Oh, but this was number 3. Just don't know how much. There we go. So, we're gonna put this little one. This better work. It's not perfect. The last sticker already. Hello, what would you like? Burgers, french fries, drinks, coffee? Alright, so, wrong way. Maybe we can put it here. Great. Wait, Was I doing it wrong? I'll have to hire somebody. I finally figured it out. Right there. Okay. Alright, and we're already on this, whatever, this lemon pop. Alright. I finally figured it. Whoa! Oh, so you can like slap it. Alright, guys, I finally figured it out. Alright. Oh, this isn't. Oh. I think now it says we need this blue thing. We're gonna do this. And oh my goodness. Yes! I think it's this. Alright. And here's our customer server. And pretty much these are the two last things. And I still don't know who ate the burger. I will write a letter to Target because of this. 100 hours later, or 100 years later. I guess I don't need 100 years. And the last thing is this burger, thingamajigger. I'm gonna call it, Burger Hot Wheel. But they didn't, inside this burger thing, they didn't put any lettuce or tomatoes or patty. I mean, I think they did. Right, I finally got it. Yeah! Now let's go with the main car. I just don't know what this is. So it's not an ice pop after all. We're gonna put our sparkly looking car. All right, insert, sir. I'm gonna turn this and it should go. Oh, it's going up. Fire. This is gonna burn. Whoa. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And be sure to click the like button and the subscribe button because next week, part 3 will be coming out. So you definitely don't want to miss that.